Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Calvin Klein watch. This is going to be the time only model. In case you have a date complication or a day-date complication, so in case you have a date window right here that features the day of the month, or a day date, so that features both the day of the week and the day of the month, I'm going to leave links in the description box below to these two models so that you can go and check them out. But in case you have a time only watch, all you need to do is to pull the crown to the last position. That is where you can actually set the time. In our case, the movement also has a hacking, so as you can see, the seconds hand has stopped. And now what I want to do is to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. Let's presume that I want to make it 6:30, so I'm going to first set the hour at 6, just like that, and then I'm going to make it 30 minutes. And in order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and voila, I have correctly set the time. Once again guys, I'm going to leave links in the description box below to those two types of watches in case you also have to set the date, and in case you want to watch the full guide on how to adjust the mesh bracelet on your Calvin Klein watch and also how to replace the watch battery, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, it really means a lot, and in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I'm going to see you in the next video, so make sure to subscribe.